Hey guys, welcome back to Huntress Healing Intuitive Coaching. Today's unboxing video is the Tamed Wild monthly subscription box for September 2022. I'm hoping all of my stuff is here because the outer package that it comes in was actually ripped. So I'm hoping nothing's missing. So let's go ahead and get this open, see what we've got in here this month. I'm gonna zoom this out just a little bit. All right, so we have a ritual and another moon altar ritual. So we got two little rituals in here. Looks like we have a tarot mat. Let's go ahead and open that up. Yep, so we have this really pretty moon altar cloth. It's green and gold. I love that. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use that. And then let's see what else we've got here. So we have an air plant in here. This poor little plant looks like it's damaged. It packaged really well. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to take care of it, but I'm sure I'll find out. Let me see if I can get this little box or bag open. Looks like we've got some incense cones. Yep. Let's see. Does it tell me what kind of incense it is? Moon incense. All right. So make sure to box that up again so I don't make my whole house smell like incense right now. We've got some clear quartz in here, so let's see what that looks like. If I can get that opened up. Got some clear quartz pieces. I got 3 little ones here. Put those back in here for now. Let's see. What else do we have in here? Oh, this is cute. It's a little crescent moon-shaped plate. That's super cute. What's this big thing in here? I think it might be a bag. Oh, nope. Oh, wow. This is huge. Let me clear some of this stuff out of the way so you guys can see this. So this is an altar cloth, and it is giant. So, like, oh my goodness, that's awesome. I love it. Oh my God, it's like way big. Okay. That's cool. I'm excited about this. I just don't have a space big enough for it right now. So we're gonna have to find a home for it, but I'm super excited about this month's box. And yeah, so I'm excited to see what next month brings. I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.